Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you on my computer, so it'll look a little different than what you're seeing on your phones. But for the purpose of this exercise, it does need to be completed on a computer. This is for any mileage that has not been paid due to an issue that we're currently working on. This is the temporary fix that I'd like you guys to follow in the interim to ensure you guys can get some reimbursement for your expenses. So you're going to create an expense report. You're going to go ahead and add an expense. You're going to click gasoline. You won't have a receipt unless you happen to save it, which is great. If you did, you would add it here, either upload it or take a photo. Then you're going to fill out all this information, in particular the ones with the red asterisks to ensure it's fully filled out. Now, you're probably wondering, if I don't have a receipt, how do I fill this out? Reference back your credit card statements or your debit card statements, however way you paid, to get the transaction date and the amount. This is important that it matches because if accounting flags it and wants to see proof, you will need to provide a screenshot to them in order for the expense report to be approved. So don't think I can just enter anything there and it doesn't matter. You do need to have some type of proof ready in the event that they do ask for you to submit it. So I'm going to look at my credit card statement and I'm going to say, for example, I got gas on the 5th of August. So I'm going to click this. Your business purpose, you can put field visits within program budget. The vendor name, so the name of the gas station. So let's say up here it's SO. Fill out all this other information. You guys don't have provinces, but whatever it's asking of you. And then the amount. So let's say I put $50 of gas. If there was no tax, you're going to hit 000. Your job related number, this is provided to you by myself or Shradia. So ignore this because this is a Canadian number, but you're going to click whatever job number, type it out, and then you're going to select the order number. There's usually one or two options here, and you're going to hit save. Now you're going to notice here that there's an asterisk mark that you didn't attach a receipt. What you're going to do is you're going to go up here, click manage receipts. You're going to click missing receipt declaration, and you're going to check mark all the gas entries that don't have a receipt. Then you're going to click accept and create. And then once that's done, you're going to hit submit. Now, for those of you, I will be communicating how much you can expense up to. In the event that, let's use an example, I say, okay, so and so, you can expense up to $300 in gas. That is what is owed of you to date. There's no way that you're going to have past transactions that perfectly equal 300. I get that. So let's say we've got up to $280, okay? And now you need to submit, or there's a gap of $20 to get up to that 300 I approved. But your gas that you put in was $60. All you're going to do is just claim less than the actual transaction. So even though you may have put in $60 worth of gas, if the balance to get to the budget amount that I told you is like $20, $25, all you're going to do is just change the amount so that it total, when you add all the different gas expenses, they equate to the budget amount that I tell you. And each of you have an individual unique amount because it's based on when you worked, what is owed to each and every one of you, which is completely different. So make sure you check in with me to find out exactly how much you need to submit. And then once you're done, you're going to save it all and click submit. And that is all.